We all know that a good night's sleep is essential for feeling refreshed and energized every single day. But did you know that it plays a vital role in keeping your immune system strong and healthy, ready to fight off threats? Sleep is not just about resting our bodies. It's a time for our immune system to recharge and fight off invaders effectively. In this essay, we'll explore the fascinating link between sleep and immunity, delving into the science behind it and understanding how prioritizing sleep can bolster your body's natural defenses. Just like a well-trained army, our immune system relies on a good night's sleep to function at its best and most efficient. During sleep, our bodies produce and release essential proteins called cytokines, which help fight off infections and inflammation. When we don't get enough sleep, the production of these crucial proteins is disrupted, weakening our immune response significantly. Think of it like this. Sleep is like charging your phone overnight, allowing it to function optimally throughout the day. Without sufficient charge, your phone's performance dwindles, just like your immune system when deprived of sleep. But it's not just about cytokines. Sleep also affects other key players in our immune system, such as T cells. These specialized white blood cells are responsible for identifying and destroying harmful pathogens in our bodies. Studies have shown that sleep deprivation can hinder the production and effectiveness of T cells, making us more susceptible to infections. Imagine your T cells as vigilant guards patrolling your body, searching for and eliminating threats. Sleep deprivation is like reducing their numbers and slowing down their reflexes, leaving your body vulnerable to attack and illness. The connection between sleep and immunity is not just a matter of feeling better after a good night's rest. It's a fundamental aspect of our overall health and well-being. It's deeply rooted in our biology, affecting us on a cellular level. Scientific research has shed light on the intricate mechanisms by which sleep influences our immune response, providing compelling evidence for the importance of prioritizing shut-eye and maintaining a healthy sleep schedule. Let's delve into some groundbreaking studies that have illuminated this fascinating link between sleep and immunity. One landmark study conducted by researchers at Mount Sinai in 2022 revealed that even a small reduction in sleep, as little as 1.5 hours, could have a detrimental impact on immune cells and overall health. The study found that chronic sleep deprivation alters the very structure of DNA within immune stem cells, the precursors to all our immune cells, which are crucial for our defense mechanisms. This alteration negatively affects the production and effectiveness of white blood cells, leaving our bodies ill-equipped to combat infections and other diseases. Another crucial aspect of sleep's impact on immunity lies in its regulation of inflammation, a key process in our body's defense. During sleep, our bodies undergo a process of natural inflammation, which helps repair tissues and fight off infections, ensuring we stay healthy. Adequate sleep allows this inflammatory response to return to normal levels by morning, keeping it in check and maintaining balance. However, chronic sleep deprivation disrupts this delicate balance, leading to persistent low-grade inflammation throughout the body, which can have serious health consequences. Imagine your body as a fortress, with your immune system acting as its vigilant defense force, always on guard. Now, picture sleep deprivation as a cunning enemy, tirelessly working to weaken the fortress walls and disarm its defenders, bit by bit. That's precisely what happens when we consistently shortchange ourselves on sleep, night after night. Sleep deprivation, in essence, sabotages our immune system's ability to protect us from harm and illness. One of the primary ways sleep deprivation weakens our defenses is by reducing the production of cytokines, those crucial signaling proteins that orchestrate our immune response. Cytokines are like the messengers of the immune system, alerting different immune cells to threats and coordinating their attack strategies. When we don't get enough sleep, our cytokine production takes a hit, leading to a slower and less effective immune response. But the sabotage doesn't end there. It goes even further. Sleep deprivation also disrupts the function of T cells, our specialized pathogen-fighting cells that are crucial for our health. T cells rely on sleep to effectively identify and destroy harmful invaders, keeping us safe. When we're sleep-deprived, our T cells become less efficient at recognizing and attacking pathogens, making us more susceptible to infections and diseases. Section 4. The price of insufficient sleep, from colds to chronic diseases. The consequences of consistently skimping on sleep extend far beyond feeling tired and sluggish. Insufficient sleep doesn't just make us more vulnerable to the common cold. it can have serious long-term implications for our overall health and well-being. The price we pay for inadequate sleep is a higher risk of developing various chronic diseases, some of which can be life-threatening. In the short term, sleep deprivation weakens our immune system's ability to fight off common infections like colds, flu, and other respiratory viruses. We become more susceptible to these infections and may experience more severe symptoms and a longer recovery period. Over time, the persistent low-grade inflammation caused by chronic sleep deprivation sets the stage for more serious health problems. This chronic inflammation is linked to an increased risk of developing chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, obesity, and even certain types of cancer. Section 5. Debunking sleep myths. You can't cheat your way to good health. There's a common misconception that we can train ourselves to function on less sleep, that our bodies will eventually adapt, and will no longer experience the negative consequences. Unfortunately, this is a dangerous myth. Our bodies don't adapt to chronic sleep deprivation. They simply continue to accrue the damage, increasing our risk of various health problems. Another myth is that we can catch up on sleep on the weekends and erase the damage caused by sleep deprivation during the week. While it's true that getting extra sleep can help us feel more rested in the short term, it doesn't fully compensate for the negative impact of chronic sleep loss. The truth is, our bodies need consistent, adequate sleep to function optimally. Trying to cheat our way to good health by skimping on sleep is like trying to build a house on a foundation of sand. It's bound to crumble eventually. Section 6. Practical tips for a better night's sleep. Simple steps, big rewards.